Ki pulit Khanapara station ribhoi hakalai photarik risau kila Pynlong yaka marathon run for unity kabajngai 1 kilometer yaki khna rit ki Samla bat yaki rangba kumshi banta ban eksa naga banta ka jingko jingkhia bat ka jingklan ka met ka phan yakane ka marathon lapnya the USSP VS Rathor bat ki pulit na Khanapara kane ka marathon kala sedang na khrdop ka USTM bat lapen kut hamadan lekai ka Shillong Jorbil Hakane ka marathon la shimbantar ki re rangba ki bakkan thop yo NEHU Chancellor USTM upi baida OC Khanapara PS uba Khubor khongyong rangba shnong ka umlangpur ki khna skol bat ki padba nakane ka than ki bala shimbanta bat job hakane ka marathon ki la yo ya ki busket bat nakalyang ki kenthei ki long ka kong bi jerwa S long chum bat ka bil lovely simle nakalyang ki shinrang la yo busket de Richmond El Maulong toshi kirmei bat u orpan nongrum
Ready, everyone? Smile. Be careful. Take off. The photo below. Take off. 1, 2, 3.
वॉकिंग करके नहीं पहुंचना है पहले इतना जोर से भागा ना तो थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ ना ये दूसरे
Students staying in the hotel and all residential staff, so we could not disseminate information, but anyway it's a nice occasion and we'll be working in this direction for various programs to create awareness, to get the understanding from various occasions. This is the way that we the people must be knowing so many things. So National Unity Day, you are knowing that tomorrow we will be also celebrating the National Unity Day here in the campus in a big way. All the students, those who are attending, day scholars, they will also be joining. So in any way, being a university here, and you know this university is known to the country, I want to say to my students only that it is our moral responsibility to see how the progress and development is going on in the vicinity of this university. It is our responsibility. You see around, our university is so clean, nice, but this locality, the people, very underprivileged people are staying, residing here. So I think we must have an understanding and we must be contributing whatever way possible from our university side to work for the development of the entire locality. It is a simple understanding that if there is a light and under the light, if it is dark, then it has no meaning. So as a university, it is our responsibility to work for the overall growth, overall progress of the entire state and especially this locality. So I welcome all of you and my gratefulness to all of you that yes, out of large number of students you have joined this event, and in the coming days we will be doing other such kind of occasions. We will be celebrating in a great way, and I am very grateful to Khanapara Police Station for organizing this event in collaboration with the USTM and other. I have seen the students from other institutions also have joined. I am very thankful to all of you. Thank you very much.
Come on guys, cheer up.
You also give. Come, lady.
Come on guys, come on. First prize Richmond Lindo Molong. High position, 1-4. Saint Lila long shot. Come on guys.